Hey family, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chris. Once again, you know what time it is. It's Vegan Soul Sundays. So I'm bringing you another recipe for your taste buds. And I hope you've been enjoying the videos that we've been putting out. Please make sure you like, comment, let us know how it is. Let us know once you cook it, and please post a picture if you cook the dishes. All right? So without further ado, if you are a fan of calamari, or let's say you've transitioned to a vegan style diet and you no longer eat calamari, or maybe you're squeamish about it, maybe you have a seafood allergy, I'm gonna show you how to make vegan calamari. Yes, that's right. So tune in as we get started. All right, everyone, let's get started. This is a super simple recipe. So if you don't have the ingredients, write them down. First thing you're gonna need is whole fresh okra. I'm gonna go ahead and slice them lengthwise and grab yourself some oat milk or almond milk, whatever you prefer. We wanna soak this in this mixture for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Next, we're gonna need some hot cherry peppers or some piquille peppers. I like to add a pickled pepper to this. This adds a really nice flavor to the whole dish. And so just something to keep in mind as we're trying to replicate calamari. So of course we're using okra, all vegetables. We want it to look kind of like calamari. If you've ever been to a restaurant, you get the tentacles and the rings of the squid. So we want this to look like real calamari. So that's why we're cutting them long ways. I have a little riddle for you. If Peter Parker picked pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Parker pick? I don't know. I'm cutting pickled peppers. I thought it was funny. Okay. Next, you want to go ahead and salt and pepper your okra and oat milk mixture. Just season it very well. Another thing to keep in mind is your fryer oil. You want to make sure that you get your temperature up to 375 degrees. Make sure it's not smoking hot, so that way when we drop our ingredients in, they won't burn. Okay, next we're going to be using a Vietnamese rice noodle, commonly known as pho. I use this to kind of give the calamari that squid tentacle look. So these kind of fry up really nice, and I use these to kind of replicate tentacles. So they're really crispy, kind of remind you of pork skins, but like I said, it's rice noodles, so no need to wonder about if it's vegan or not. Next, you want to strain all of your okra from the oat milk, okay? And we're going to add in our peppers as well. Okay, then we're going to need some all-purpose flour. If you have gluten allergies, you can definitely grab a gluten-free flour, so feel free to kind of put whichever works for you. And you want to make sure you coat your okra and peppers really well with the flour. Make sure you shake off the excess when you're dropping it into the grease, and always make sure you point your ingredients away from you as you drop it in so that the oil doesn't splash on you. Okay, this is going to cook for about a good 5 to 6 minutes until nice golden brown and crispy, just like you would have at an Italian restaurant with the calamari. Okay, grab a paper towel, something to strain the grease on, the excess. Okay, once it's done, just go ahead and shake all that extra grease out. Go ahead and let the paper towel soak up the rest of the excess grease. Then I like to grab a clean bowl. We're going to put all the vegan calamari in the bowl, add some Himalayan sea salt. I like to grab some fresh curly parsley for garnish and color. And then we're going to take our Thai rice noodles that we fried. We're going to add that in there, like I said, to give it that tentacle look. You can also add a lemon wedge to give it an extra pop of flavor. And guys, that's it. This is an easy recipe to serve as an appetizer next time you do an Italian night. You want to serve it with some either marinara or some aioli sauce. And that's it. Vegan calamari, Chris Kyler style. Peace.